Dear Yamaha, thank you for making a great mid-sized adventure bike. I'm sorry for being mean to you in the past and calling you a tease and slow to bring motorcycles to market and a tease and lazy and a tease. In case you have forgotten, our friends in the US haven't gotten their hands on their Tenere 700s yet. Please don't forget about them and let them have it. With love, long way home. You tease. Well, we've gotten some great news from Yamaha regarding the Tenere 700 in their latest press release. We all know what it's about. You are welcome, Americans. Let's go through it. Well, for some, unfortunately, the teasing continues, since instead of opening the Tenere 700 up to a huge market like the US, Yamaha has decided to instead upgrade the bike and bring to market a new T7. Americans, you can go ahead and watch something else on YouTube now, since this will probably come to your shores sometime in 2030, let's say. Rumors that the Yamaha Tenere 700 would get a tougher, more dirt-oriented version have been making the rounds since November. Now, Yamaha has received type approval. This is approval by the European Union that a new vehicle is safe to be sold over here for a rally version of the T7 filed under the internal name of XTZ690D-B. The original T7 internal name is XTZ690, so the D-B at the end refers to a brand new vehicle. The interesting thing is that if Yamaha wanted to bring the same Tenere 700 to market, but with a specific combination of bolt-on accessories from their existing catalog, they wouldn't need a type approval. They could just use the same one they already have. So the new type approvals are required when there are significant changes to the original vehicle. Thus, logic dictates that the new T7 will be significantly different. But according to the limited list of specifications available in the documents filed by Yamaha, the new T7, T7-2, Dave, easier to remember like that, has the same engine power, height, weight and wheelbase as the current model. Even the noise level is the same, so the end can is identical to the standard one on the T7 and not the aftermarket Akrapovic one. Last year in November, however, Takushiro Shiraishi, the project leader for the Tenere 700, said they would consider making a more dirt-oriented T7 if there was enough interest from customers. If this D-B vehicle is truly the more dirt-oriented version, what could possibly change on it if the power, weight and dimensions are all exactly the same as the original one? Yamaha already sells a rally pack upgrade for the bike using official accessories. These include a rally seat, which is better for off-road riding, an Akrapovic exhaust, chain guard, radiator protectors, a tank bag, that's useless for rally, a license plate holder, that will definitely help you off-road, and LED blinkers, recommended by 9 out of 10 rally riders. So if they wanted to bring to market the same version of the T7 just with some rally bolt-on parts, there would be no need for new type approval. So at this stage, the only logical conclusion is that Yamaha are bringing out a limited edition rally version, most probably with a new rally color scheme. Imagine if you're in the US, Dave, and you really like the new color scheme of it. It will be years until you can get your hands on it. Decades. Anyway, we'll keep an eye out for any news regarding a T7 update, so make sure you are subscribed to catch that. With all of the reviews already out regarding the T7, it will be a pity if Yamaha just release a new color scheme, limited edition bike instead of making the bike actually better. Let us know in the comments what you think the new version will bring to the table. We would love to hear your opinion on the existing bike. Well, that's the show for today, everybody. Give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And if you think you've learned something new, consider subscribing or becoming a patron to help us make more of these shows. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.